Hello and welcome back. So I'm at Anfield. So a big crowd behind me going, what's going on here? Thought it to be something to do with what's gone on in the news, like in the last hour or so. Looks like a tour going on. So I went over there for no reason. So Slot has been sacked. Is the big news today, which I think 99% of Liverpool fans are going to be happy. Now, never feel sorry for a manager getting sacked, okay? As soon as they get that job, they've won the lottery, alright? Even if they only last 2 games, they've won the lottery. So they are made for life as soon as they get that job. As soon as they get the Liverpool job, the United job, the Arsenal job, the City job, the Barca job, the Real Madrid job, Bayern Munich job, any of them jobs, PSG, you've won the lottery, okay? Never feel sorry for a manager getting sacked. It's us fans that are going through it, us fans that pay the money to watch the dire football that we've seen this season compared to last season. Now, a lot of people might disagree, but I put it down to the lads getting told to go on holiday last year. I think Slot went to Ibiza, didn't he? And the rest of the lads went to Dubai. Ever since then, our form has just dropped off a cliff. Last season, we bladdered the season early on. Then as soon as we won it, it's like we just took the foot off the gas. I thought, you know what? It's probably because we won a league that we're playing so bad. It wasn't. Then begin the season, we lost Jota. That's had an impact on the players. But again, the football's just not being good enough. I think it was time for him to go. He's not going to be sad. He's dancing all the way to the bank. So don't worry about Slot. Who's going to take over? Now, for me, there's only 2 managers in world football that I want. And one of them's available now. Pep Guardiola. Will he take it? With his connection with City and just leaving City. I think he wants a bit of a break from football. But I would throw as much money as I can at him to get him into Liverpool tomorrow. The next one is Luis Enrique at PSG. That fella's done a fantastic job at PSG. Okay, the French league is an easy league, but what he's done in the Champions League's unbelievable. Now, if we get Luis Enrique, we might get some players as well. And I want Kvaratskhelia. He is amazing. I think he's the best attacking footballer in the world at this very moment. And he's going to be the reason why they beat Arsenal tonight. You get him, you're on your way to winning the Prem, okay? If I'm being honest, I thought there might have been a bit more media around here, but they've got to come from London and Manchester to get to Liverpool. Even Liverpool Echo, they've got to come from Manchester. So they'll probably just come off the motorway and go to the training ground in Kirkby. It's a lot easier for them. Unless they're just late to getting here, because it wasn't announced that long ago and I've come straight to ground to report on it. I could be lazy and do it in my living room, but I thought, you know what, get to the grounds. See the beautiful badge behind me? Yeah, it's big news. And you know what, if I'm being honest, I wasn't expecting it. I thought they were going to give him another season, and that frightened the life out of me. Now you're going to be getting loads of people saying, Areola, get him in. He's done a great job at Bournemouth. Can he manage a big dressing room? I don't know. That's why I'm saying, get the likes of either Pep or Luis Enrique in. They're proven at managing big egos, okay? They sound Irish behind me. What's the Arne Slot going? You happy? Slot?
I heard that, yeah.
You happy he's gone?
I gave him 4 or 5 games.
What of next season?
Probably,
really?
Yeah.
Why?
He's brought a lot of players in, hasn't he?
I know he brought a lot in.
He's done. Ekiteke and Isaac, they haven't.
I know, yeah.
So, yeah, who do you fancy? Who are we going to get?
Pep or Luis Enrique, they're my 2 big ones.
Yeah.
A lot of people are going to say Areola at Bournemouth, but I don't think.
Might be too big for him.
I think the play's too big for him.
Yeah. Pep.
Don't think the job is. I think the play's will be.
Pep, that'll be a mad one.
Imagine it. See you later. Yeah, so it's brand new news to people. Yeah, Areola, I just don't know. You know, we took a chance on Slot and it worked in the first season. Second season it didn't. Now I've heard loads of rumours about Salah. He said, well, apparently he said, if Slot and the coaching staff go, he'll see out his final year of his contract. But he said his goodbyes now, so I don't think he can go back on that now. Let's go to the top here. Oh yeah, the abseiling's on. Remember Gary Neville and Jamie Carragher done it? No, remember Gary Neville done it? Jamie Carragher wouldn't come over. Loads of people behind me, but I don't think the football fans. I think they're just watching the abseiling going on. But yeah, Areola, I think the job is too big for him. Well, no, I don't think the job's too big for him. I think the players are. Managerial, look, don't get me wrong, he's done a brilliant job at Bournemouth. He lost all his defence last year. Full-backs and centre-backs. Everyone cherry-picked his team because of what he's done with them. And he's done even better this season with the worst team, apparently. So, yeah, just killed myself coming up the stairs there. But, I don't know. I want those two names. Pep or Luis Enrique. The club have got to break the bank to convince them to come. Luis Enrique, he's at what's France's version of Man City. That's going to be hard. Pep has got links to Man City and might not want to come to Liverpool for them reasons. But money talks. If you throw the money at them, they might take it. It's a nice sunny afternoon, so Anfield, usually on a day like this, is like Disneyland. People everywhere, milling round. Going to a souvenir shop. I'm just taking it in. Now, one thing I am really ecstatic about is Liverpool's new kit. The retro style of 1990. You know, that was the kit I fell in love with. And I have the retro top now. Alright, it's not the proper retro top, it's not the Adidas one. But it's the Liverpool branded one. But it hasn't got the T6 down the sleeve. Now, this season I will be buying a top. Just so I've got it. As I say, just look at the place, people just everywhere. Taking it in round the ground. You'd think there was a match on. But then get the photos taken, get out the way. Champions League tonight. I think PSG are going to do Arsenal. I want them to. I want Arsenal's name to stay off that trophy. I know people say support the English club, but they love us losing. So let's just return a favour. They've won the Prem. Stop being greedy. I'm just jealous. Yeah, right. I'm going to leave it there. I've had me say. The Jota Memorial over behind me, loads of people over there. Right, that's me done. Just wanted to get to Anfield. Have my say on what I think. No one has to agree with me. But those two managers have got to be top of the list. I'm looking to betting. Areola's the favourite to get it. They've got to throw money at those two managers. Okay, Pep will manage. I guarantee you, if the money's right. Just throw it at him, just dangle that carrot in front of him, see if he takes it. Little money spinner there. Photos with the cups. That's me done. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think. Let me know if I'm talking shit. I can take it on these ones. If you want to give me some stick over it, but yeah. Thanks for watching. Speak to you all soon. Bye now.